Okay, so here we have the Toyota Hiace, right? It's diesel, it's clean. I see a lot of people making campers out of these things. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yo, this thing is like, look at all the buttons. Oh my. Oh, it's moving. Yeah, hold up. Oh, I'm tripping. Yo, everything. Yo. Oh my. Oh, it's got 4 sunroofs. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Captain's chairs. Man, this thing is hooked up. And like, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but the display is like, it's like super far back there. It's like crazy. Dang. Let me put the window down. This thing is hooked up. Turbo diesel. Wow. Why do you need so much space back there? Where's the extra seats? Did somebody take the seats out? They did. Are they folded down in there? I can't figure it out. Wow, curtains. It could use a nice detail. Just got a little dirt here and there. This thing is hooked up. Ron Cox is making fun of me, saying he only wants it if it's got 4 sunroofs. Well, baby girl, we got 4 of them things. Put your feet up here. Dang. This thing is crazy. Oh, we got a little damage on the bumper there. Super custom limited. Yeah, I see why. Look at these things. This thing is crazy tight. I like it. Whoa. Buttons out the yin yang. Buttons out the yin yang. 218,000 kilometers. This thing is cool. It's a boat, man. So I see why people like it. I bet this thing just climbs. Sick. What? Bro, what? Open and close? Hold up. Open. What's closing? Something's automatic. This curtains are... What the? Stop. Stop. What the hell? Yeah! Oh my god! What the hell? Oh my! This is crazy. Look at this. This is crazy. And then you got the thing for the curtains right here. Oh my! Let me put the window back up. Tripping. This is crazy. crazy. Wow. I am blown away. That's how they were thinking back in 95. What's this? Where does that go? Oh, right here. What's in there? It's a jack. That's how they were thinking back in 95, 96. We got controls and more buttons over there. Oh, man. That's intense, man. Did that door just close by itself? Am I tripping? Wow. The door just closed by itself. Okay. Well, yeah. So there she is, boys. Toyota Hiace. Now I understand the hype.